today is growing at a rapid pace. Every organization is looking for a data scientist who can analyze, interpret, and even organize the huge abundance of data that they have. So if you are somebody who's wanting to get into the field of data science but is confused as to how to crack the interview, then this video is definitely for you. My name is Ananya, and in today's video, we are going to talk about the tips and tricks that you can use in order to ace your data science interview. First and foremost, make sure that you have a strong resume aligned with the roles and responsibilities of a data scientist. Make sure that you have also added different achievements in your resume, like hackathons, boot camps, and different certificates. Second, master a programming language. One of the most important aspects of being a data scientist is mastering coding or programming language that can give you the required skills to do the job. Here, a key tip to remember is that Python is the most preferred amongst them all. Third, apply that programming language algorithmically. While knowing the language is extremely important, you should also be able to provide evidence that you in fact do know the language. This can be done by actually implementing that language algorithmically so that the organizations know that you know your way around the language. Fourth, remember that while most of the data scientist job do not require you to be a master at coding, some of them do. Candidates who do not possess a basic level of coding language can be easily caught off guard during the interview and may fail to move forward in the process. The length of a coding session is usually for 45 minutes to 1 hour. That depends on the questions, which are usually 1 or 2. The choice of language here is usually flexible, but most of the applicants go for Python. Fifth, have knowledge of production deployment environment. Most of the organizations these days have been using the cloud as an infrastructure model. Popular cloud vendors like Google Cloud Platform, Azure, Amazon Web Service have made it easy for the data scientists to quickly set up a machine learning environment and start working without thinking of the huge pile of generated data. Sixth, remember that hands-on experience really matters. This allows for a practical depth of knowledge which not only help a data science applicant to understand the scenario better, but also help to demonstrate that skill. Taking up a data science project and trying to build and develop a model provides in-depth knowledge to the domain where the candidate wants to work on. Finally, prepare and go for mock interviews. It is always better to get a prior experience onto something rather than going into it without knowing anything about it. A mock interview can be held by a peer, coach, or even a mentor. This will give you a confidence boost before actually sitting for the interview. You are all set now. All the best for your interview and ace it. For more information, stay connected with us at Board Infinity.